Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Oppo A16s. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, let's go for the settings. Now make the screenshot in any way you like. I'm gonna go with 3 fingers, scroll down like this. Then press on scroll. Now wait till entire page is loaded. When it's ready, you can adjust the length of your screenshot. I'm gonna go with full page, click on done. And now here you can see the full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.